Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back to another Carib Fusion video. So as I always say, Mavado say progress, and on his Instagram recently he put up a video of some workman building a house, and underneath it he said progress, not hype. It's all about getting the right things in rotation, major key. And this I guess the building of this house is adjacent to his house on the hill now. So Mavado has basically, started to build a second house, or maybe a third, I don't know. But this is him putting the right things in place, Previously, if you watch my videos, I always say a car is good, but a house is better. So, this is actually really good. And I hope that, enough of the artists them start to really understand and invest their money wisely. I think this is a really good move on Mavado's part, to be putting the right things in place for, theme generations and so forth. So I'm gonna play the video for you guys, make you see what I go on. You can draw your own conclusion from the video. All right then guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Yeah. Look at that. Crazy, right? Coastals. Come on. That would be with bigger things represent. Good.